Why do you need calcium? Your body uses calcium to build strong bones, send nerve signals and contract muscles. While it's possible to get enough of it in your diet, some people might need to consider supplements. Benefits of calcium. They may help prevent bone loss in postmenopausal women. They may help with fat loss. Calcium may help lower the risk of colon cancer. Supplements may help improve metabolic markers. Jarrow Formulas, Bone-Up Review. Description: A formulated stymical microcrystalline hydroxyapatite, potassium citrate and natural MK7. Promotes bone density. Supports cardiovascular health. Gluten-free. Dietary supplement. Suggested use: take 2 capsules 3 times per day, for a total of 6, with meals to facilitate maximum absorption, or as directed by your qualified healthcare professional. For best results, use with Jarrow Formulas Jarrowsil, the biologically activated silicone. Other ingredients: maltodextrin, magnesium stearate, vegetable source, and silicon dioxide. Capsule consists of bovine gelatin. Mineral amounts are elemental. Contains soy in trace amounts. No wheat, gluten, dairy, egg, fish, shellfish, or peanuts, tree nuts. Warnings. Note: if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, lactating, or trying to conceive, or taking medications, especially warfarin Coumadin, consult your healthcare practitioner before using this product. Keep out of the reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.